Hey guys, welcome back. In this exercise we're going to do color grading for our image. So go to file, open, and this black and white to color. Remember we worked on this image, so we turned this black and white image to a colored image. Okay, so I'll just open this image for you to see. So open, and this is what we had, and we'll just open the colored image, and this is what we turned our image to. Okay, perfect. So from this to this, from this to this, so you can see how incredible of a job we did. Perfect. So first thing I'll do is I'll just go ahead and save this as a JPEG image. So save this JPEG. Perfect. So black and white to color, and I'll just add done after color. Done. Perfect. So save, and we can now close this file and just go ahead and open our image. So again, I'll just open this. Okay, so we compare the both of them. That's just by the way though, but it makes us value the work we did. Okay, so this is what we had, and this is what we achieved. So this is what we had, and this is what we achieved. Incredible, guys. This is incredible. Okay, so right now we just want to do color grading to our image using the trick we learned in a previous video. Okay, so we want to use our thousands of color grading presets in Photoshop which we unlocked. Okay, we want to use that to color grade our image. We want to give our image different looks, different color grading feels. Okay, so go ahead and add the gradient map and come here. Or first of all, let's turn the blending mode to soft light. Perfect. Now click here, and then you know what to do, right? Type and select the noise and reduce your roughness to say 7, okay, or 8%. Perfect. And now uncheck restrict colors, so uncheck, and now we can start experimenting. So we can start clicking. In fact, before I start clicking randomize, I'll just go ahead and reduce my opacity to see 29 or 32. Yeah, 32 is perfect, so that I see like the final look. So already we can see that we are already getting something really incredible. So this is what we had before, this is what we have now. Okay, so we have our first look. In fact, I'm just going to hit Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge everything and create a copy of our layer. That's Command Shift Option E on the Mac. Perfect. So we have our first color look. Perfect. I'll just hide this and go back to our gradient and start clicking randomize to get even more looks. Okay, so this is also incredible. So hit OK and Ctrl Shift Alt E to create another copy. So we have the first one here, we have the second one here. Incredible. I'll just go ahead and create even more. Remember, we can create thousands of looks with this trick. So randomize, so we can just keep hitting randomize, and this look is also incredible. Now I love this one even better, so I'll hit OK, Ctrl Shift Alt E, and now we have our third look. So first, second, and third. Incredible. Now go ahead and we can keep doing this all day. Okay, keep doing this all day. So just keep clicking, and we can create unlimited looks. Really, the list is unlimited. So let's try using oranges. Okay, so we see the looks we get when using orange gradients. I like this look. Hit OK, Ctrl Shift Alt E. Perfect. So let's see. This is our first image, or let's just unhide all of them and start from here. So this is our first image, this is our second image, this is our third look, this is our fourth look. We can see the power of this trick. And we can even do more. I feel like doing more. I feel like doing this all day. Okay, so I'll just select, let's select grace. let's select grease. Let's select this guy. Let's see. So where are our options? Of course, it's noise, and we want this to be 8%. And right already we can see that we just got something incredible, right? So Control Shift Alt E to have another copy. Perfect. So let's go ahead and create one last one. Okay, so let's now randomize, and let's just keep going. Let's just keep going this time. Okay, we can keep going all this, so we have to stop at somewhere, right? So just and yeah, let's just go with this one. So let's create this one and Control Shift Alt E. Perfect. Now you can just Control S to save my color grids exercise. Let's write exercise in front. Exercise color grid. Okay, auto color presets. Yeah, let's just hit save. I wanted to do something there, but I just changed my mind. So we can see that we went from having this to then having this, to then having this, to then having this, and this, and this, and this, all in Photoshop. Okay, all in Photoshop with one little trick. So that's the power of Photoshop, guys. That's the power of Photoshop, and this is just amazing. Okay, perfect. So I'll just hit Ctrl S to save my file one more time, and with this we've come to the end of our exercise on color grading. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.